This is DIY Smith again with my next project. The previous one was a transfer switch for a generator hookup. I live in Texas and we've had the famous ice storm and that sort of thing. And my location where I live is one of the highest points for like 20 miles, and we get a lot of lightning strikes. I've lost a few trees from lightning strikes. The neighbors up the street have lost AC units, things like that. So I've put a whole house surge protector I've had for years. So anyway, we're here at the sub panel again. Have a whole house surge protector. It's been on for about 5 years, and it's connected with a 50 amp breaker, and I will be putting the exact same one on the EV sub panel in the garage. Last week I put on the surge protectors for the HVAC units, hoping the layered approach will help save damage to those. We have two EVs at the house and dual charging, which works great. But I'm concerned about the chargers getting zapped even though they have a GFCI inside. Let me go ahead and unplug this. Anyway, the charger install on this side of the deal. Now I'm going to unplug the other EV charger before I turn off the breakers. I put the cones there to keep the door from getting busted off if it's open. Okay. Now I'm going to turn off the main 80 amp breaker for the chargers. I'm ready to take off the cover and get started. And no power. Okay. So now looking for a place to put it. It looks like this knockout will be fine. And right on that side. Eaton's manual says just make the wires as short as possible. It doesn't have to be first in line. If you have a choice, it says go ahead and do that. I talked to the tech support guy. It does say twist the wires at a rate of 1 inch, just the 2 hots, so it's going to be a short little run. And I'll go from there. Well, that was a bad spot. Put in a piece of plastic in to protect the insulation from the knockout. Okay, well, plan B is over on the left. Okay, that's in there. So let's go into this side now. It's number 14. Okay. And then the neutral. Wow, that's barely gonna make it. And now connect to neutral, which looks like could have picked a longer screwdriver, I guess. Okay, and no sharp bends. No sharp bends there except that. Okay. Okay. Neutral, tug test, ground, tug test. This time I'll remember it's 14 gauge. Okay. Okay, neutral's hooked up, ground's hooked up, 2 hots, 50 amps, okay. Be right back, I'll go turn on the power. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the breaker just to test it. Two green lights. Okay. Just gonna take out the knockouts and go from there. Okay. Boot up the chargers. All done.